If you want to finally understand how muscle contraction really works inside your body, stay right here, because what I'm about to explain will change the way you think about movement, strength, and your entire muscular system. This is the real science behind muscle contraction, anatomy, and physiology, clearly explained. Muscle contraction starts with one simple trigger, a nerve impulse. When your brain sends a signal through a motor neuron, it reaches the muscle fiber and releases acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter. This chemical opens the gates for sodium ions, creating an electrical wave across the muscle membrane. This wave travels deep inside the muscle through T-tubules, reaching the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which releases calcium ions, the true starter of contraction. Now the magic happens. Calcium binds to troponin, which shifts tropomyosin, exposing active sites on actin. Then, myosin heads attach to actin and create the famous cross-bridge cycle: pull, release, pull again. This is what produces tension, force, and movement. This entire process is called the sliding filament theory, where actin and myosin slide past each other, shortening the sarcomere and creating contraction. But there's more. Muscle contraction requires ATP. Without ATP, your muscles cannot release or contract properly. That's why energy production, oxygen delivery, and blood flow are all essential parts of muscle physiology. Whether you're lifting weights, running, chewing food, or even blinking, this microscopic process happens millions of times per second. Before I continue, if you're enjoying this breakdown of muscle anatomy and physiology, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment sharing your own story about training, soreness, strength, or anything related to muscles, and send this video to a friend who needs a clear explanation too. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps videos like this coming. Now the big takeaway. Muscle contraction is not just movement. It's a coordinated sequence of neural signals, ion exchanges, mechanical force, energy supply, and biochemical reactions. Understanding this helps you train smarter, recover faster, prevent injury, and build strength more efficiently. This is the true science of muscle contraction: anatomy, physiology, and the sliding filament mechanism working together to power every single motion in your body.